Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see what I got from Ulta, make sure you keep on watching. Most of these items I did pick up from the 21 Days of Beauty. I did a video, sharing my thoughts on what I was going to be excited about for that. So yeah, let me share with you what I got. First of all, though, I am going to show you something that I didn't get at 21 Days of Beauty, but I did get at Ulta. So since this is an Ulta haul, let's go ahead and share it. It'll show you how long ago that I got this because it's in a bag, which means that I went to a store and Ultas are currently closed, or at least whenever I'm filming this, like the actual storefront, you can still order online, I'm pretty sure. But I had a coupon, I think for like $5 off or something like that. $5 off of 10 is the best, but regardless, I had a coupon and I got some Ulta cotton rounds because I love using these for removing my eye makeup, also for applying toner, that kind of thing. I like using them for that. And full price, they are $2.99. And also, since this isn't a prestige brand, obviously you can use the coupon for it. Sorry, I have not had coffee yet at the time of filming this, and I've only eaten like half of the banana, and I have oatmeal cooking, and I'm very hungry, but focus, Hannah, focus. Okay, I don't know if I got all of these from that time, but I have 4 here to show you. 4? Yeah, I can count. Yeah, I have 4 of those. Those will last me for a while, obviously. So the next thing I got, I'm not gonna necessarily go in order of the days or anything like that. The next thing that I got was, I actually got 3 of these Benefit Gimme Brows. One of them is still in the box. I got 3 because 2 of them are for me and then 1 of them's for my mom. She mentioned that she wanted to get a good brow product. She has really light blonde eyebrows. I just did a video doing her makeup that I will link for you guys. You should definitely check that out. I love whenever my mom does videos with me. So yeah, these are the Benefit Gimme Brows. They were 50% off on one of the days of the sale, so they were $12 each. This is the shade 3. So this is what I used on my eyebrows today. I filled them in with the powder, and I combed through with this color. Not sure how much you'll be able to see. Maybe you'll be able to see a difference. I got her shade 2. That was shade 3 for me. As I mentioned, she does have a light blonde eyebrows. I can see a difference. Maybe you can see a little bit of a difference. It obviously is a little bit lighter. Before I show you my next product, I just want to mention that I even had it in the things that I recommend. I was wanting to get the Clarisonic brush heads. I think it was like the 2-pack was 50% off. Regardless, I've used the Clarisonic Mia for about 2 years. I totally meant to get one, get a couple of the brush heads, but I did not. Whenever I thought about it during the day, I should have just went ahead and ordered it, but I didn't, and I'm upset about it. But I did get a new Tarte Shape Tape. This is not the exact one that I got, but this is the same shade, so I'll just show you this right here. This is the shade Fair Light Neutral. Oh, I also got one for my mom as well. I think she's in the shade 12N, I want to say. I don't think it's the very lightest shade, but it's one of the lighter shades. I'm pretty fair skinned as well, but her shade is a little bit lighter than mine. I got both of us the Shape Tape. I am so glad that she really likes Shape Tape as well. I've spoken about it several times. It's what I use to cover my dark circles. I don't think she has as bad of dark circles as I do, but either way, it does a good job at covering up dark circles that I have found. At least I personally do really like it. So I was very happy that it was going to be 50% off because full price it is $27. The next thing that I got, I'm very excited about because I had never tried it before, but I've been wanting to try it. I know I mentioned this in the video, but still. Anyway, this is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Also appreciate the fact that, not all of them, but this I put back in the box for you. I have definitely used this since then. I haven't necessarily used it long enough to give a review of it, but so far, I guess I like it. I, especially will probably most likely update you at some point. YouTube, Instagram, also follow me on Instagram, probably on YouTube. But yeah, I will probably update you on this once I use it. long enough to kind of see my feel of it. This is, as I mentioned, the Glass Skin Refining Serum. I have been wanting to try that, and I'm so glad that that was 50% off. I believe it was $19.50 with the 50% off. And also with this being a serum, like you obviously, you know, you don't use a lot of it. This will last a pretty long time, I'm thinking. It is 1.35 fluid ounces, in case you were curious. One of my friends, I'm an Ulta Platinum member, so I had free shipping with the 21 Days of Beauty. So I picked her up one of the Tarte Maneater mascaras. Personally, I like that one. I hope that she does as well. And she got me the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser at a FabFitFun Edit sale. One of those FabFitFun sales, because she was also, I believe she was buying other things. So if you spend a certain amount, I think you get free shipping. But regardless, she dropped this off and the eyeshadow palette off. Oh, also, if you want to see how this is, I think I've already mentioned that, will be linked in the eye up above. So she dropped this off at my doorstep. I had the mascara for her at the doorstep. We did a little switch. And I also gave her like a little bit more money because this was a little bit more expensive than the mascara, you know what I'm saying? But regardless, we each did each other a favor. I really appreciate her picking this up for me. I have used this before as well, specifically also this bottle. This is one of those other ones where like, oh, save the box so you can open it up on camera. Look, you know, like a little unboxing. Yeah, for sure have used this. I have used an entire one of these before as well, and I really like it. I think you can use it every day, but personally, I don't know if I would use it every day, or definitely, I don't think I would use it personally in the morning and night. I'm not a, you know, skincare professional or a doctor or anything like that, but that's just me personally. I do really like this though, and I say that because it's like an exfoliating cleanser. You know, with me not wanting to personally use it every morning and night, but I do really like this. I love Kate Somerville. I used up the goat milk cleanser that my friend also got for me as a part of a Christmas present, and I did really like that as well. So I was very, very excited that she got that for me. If you like this video, click right here. I think you'll also like that. Once again, if you also like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.